Hey there, creators! It's no secret TikTok has been the launchpad for so many careers, connecting creators with millions of fans. But what happens if TikTok gets banned in the US? Are you ready to pivot and keep your content thriving on other platforms? Don't worry, today's video is all about helping you adapt and succeed, even if TikTok becomes a thing of the past. By the end of this video, you'll have a roadmap to smoothly transition your content to platforms like Instagram, YouTube Shorts, and beyond, so you're never left scrambling for your next move. So buckle up, smash that like button, and let's dive into how we can turn this potential challenge into a massive opportunity. Alright, creators, let's talk about why putting all your eggs in one basket is a recipe for disaster. Remember Vine? Yeah, that app where everyone was making 6-second masterpieces? Millions of views, thousands of followers, gone in a flash. See, the creators who made it big on Vine, the ones who are still crushing it today, they all had one thing in common. They didn't just rely on Vine. They branched out, built audiences on YouTube, Instagram, you name it, they diversified. And that's what we gotta do. Think of it like this. You're a superhero with awesome powers. You don't want to be stuck in just one city, right? You gotta take your talents worldwide. Same goes for your content. Diversifying is like having a superpower because even if one platform goes down, you've got backups. You're still connected with your audience, you can still share your creativity, and most importantly, you can still keep those brand deals coming in. We're talking about future-proofing your success here, people. Don't wait until it's too late. Let's get you set up on multiple platforms so you can keep winning, no matter what happens. Now let's talk strategy. You don't want to spread yourself too thin, right? We gotta pick the right platforms for your unique style. Think of it like picking the right superpower for the mission. First up, we've got Instagram Reels. If you're already killing it with visually stunning content, lifestyle stuff, fashion, food, you name it, Reels is your jam. It's all about that quick, eye-catching content, and Instagram is a master at discoverability. Hashtags, trending audio, it's all there. Next, we've got the big dog, YouTube Shorts. This is for my creators who are in it for the long haul. You're building a brand, a loyal community. Shorts can drive traffic to your full-length videos, boost your monetization, and give you a more stable platform to grow on. Now, Snapchat Spotlight might not be as big as the other two, but don't sleep on it. It's perfect for experimenting with different content styles, trying new things, and reaching a whole new audience. Plus, who doesn't love those fun Snapchat filters? And last but not least, we've got Pinterest Idea Pins. This is for my creators in the DIY, fashion, food, and design world. Pinterest is a goldmine for evergreen content, stuff that stays relevant for months, even years. The bottom line is this: know your audience, know your strengths, and choose the platforms that feel like a natural fit. Chapter 3. Repurposing your TikTok content. Okay, so we're branching out to new platforms, but guess what? You don't have to start from scratch. Remember all those awesome TikToks you've made? Time to unleash them on the world. With a few tweaks, of course. First things first, we gotta ditch those TikTok watermarks. Nobody wants to see that on a different platform. Luckily, there are tons of free tools like Snaptick or Capwing that can help you clean up your videos in a flash. Next up, captions and formats. On YouTube Shorts, make sure your captions are catchy and optimized for search. You want people to find your content. And on Reels, jump on those trending audio tracks to get your videos seen by more people. The key here is to test, adapt, and see what works best on each platform. What goes viral on TikTok might need a little makeover to kill it on Instagram or YouTube. Don't be afraid to experiment and find your groove. Remember, we're all about working smarter, not harder. You've already put in the work to create amazing content. Now let's make sure it gets seen by as many people as possible. Chapter 4. Engaging your community across platforms. Alright, we've got your content flowing to new platforms. Now let's talk about the most important ingredient for success: your community. These are the people who love your content, who support your journey, and who will follow you to the ends of the internet. So how do you keep them engaged, even across different platforms? Easy. First, let them know where to find you. Post stories on Instagram, make a TikTok letting your followers know you're on YouTube Shorts, pin a comment with all your links, make it crystal clear. Next, start building an email list. This is like having a direct line to your biggest fans, no algorithms involved. You can let them know about new content, exclusive behind-the-scenes stuff, you name it. But most importantly, focus on building a genuine connection with your audience. Whether it's your unique style, your humor, your knowledge, whatever makes you, let it shine through. People connect with people, not just platforms. Remember, building a community takes time and effort, but it's the most rewarding part of being a creator. Engage with your followers, respond to comments, show them you care, and they'll be right there with you, no matter where your content journey takes you. Outrow, stay connected, stay creative. So there you have it. Even if TikTok says goodbye, your content career doesn't have to. Start diversifying now, and you'll be future-proofing your success. Hit like if you found this helpful, subscribe for more creator tips, and drop a comment below. What's your favorite platform to create on? Let's chat. Remember, the most important thing is to keep creating, keep engaging, and keep having fun. I believe in you guys.